Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Take It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download photos on AOL Mail. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the AOL Mail app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on your screen, you can see options like Inbox, Home, Receipts, and Subscription. Tap on Inbox, then open the mail that has the photos. Now open the photo, then tap on Share icon on the top right corner. Then scroll up and tap on Save Image and select Allow. And guys, that's it. That's how you download photos on AOL Mail. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.